I used to find myself looking for synthetic indices on TradingView. The problem is you will not find them. So in this video I will show you how you can analyze synthetic indices on a platform just like TradingView. Hello traders, I am Logic SA and I've been trading for 5 years. I found my profitability when I started to trade synthetic indices. So the only way to trade them is through Deriv. The link will be in the description. So to get the platform, go to Google and type Deriv TradingView and click on the first link. It will take you to the platform and this is how it's going to look, but I've already customized mine. On this top corner is where you will find your assets, your VIX75 and step index and boom crash, all that. So this is where you're going to find your asset. Remove the R25 symbol for it to show you all the assets. The second column is where you will find your time frames and you can highlight your favorite time frames. On the third column is where you will find your charts. You have halo candles, your line chart, your area chart, baseline chart, and also you have your Heiken Ash. I hope I pronounce it well. And you also have your favorite candlesticks. The fifth column is where you can find your indicators, your moving averages and more, like stochastics and any indicator you want, you can find here. And then the columns you have on the left side is where you can find your tools, and then this is where you find your Kesas, your drawing tools, your like everything you need to plot on your chart you can find here. This platform is better than MT5, just that you cannot place any trades on it. It's just for analyzing your charts, and then you can execute on your MT5 or maybe on your phone. On the top right corner you can take a screenshot of your analysis, make the chart full screen, and you have settings option again. If you found value on this video, please subscribe, like, share the video to help others as we helped you on this channel. Have a good day.